Pain! You know what pain feels like too. Don't try to be lazy. Keep working all the time.
Libu, out. I don't want you. Get out of this house right now.
Please, Dad. Have nowhere. I don't want to leave this home. Mom, I am hungry too. I want to eat food as well.
Now, no garbage! Either! Faster, lazy bone!
I keep scrubbing. Hands hurt.
Pain! You know what pain feels like too. Don't try to be lazy. Keep working all the time.
I didn't slack, Mom. I have been mopping the floor all the time.
Talk back? I think you don't even want to stay in this home anymore.
Mom, I am hungry too. I want to eat food as well.
You only have this bread for dinner. Hurry up and eat. Finish it. Then get back to work right away.
I did nothing wrong today.
Now, no garbage. Either.
I did nothing wrong today. Hurry up and eat, puppy. This is the only piece of bread left.
My vase! It's so precious! Who did this? Who on earth did this? I'm so angry!
It's Libu. He pushed me. Libu knocked me down on the floor, and then the vase fell down and broke.
Mom, I didn't break it. Lily broke it by accident. It has nothing to do with me.
Mom, I really didn't do it. Please believe me.
Lily already said you did it. How can you still lie? You're always making trouble.
What now? Too noisy. Why have you made such a mess at home again?
Libu broke our vase at home. Make him pay for it right now.
Dad, I didn't believe me. I really didn't believe me. Do it. It really wasn't me.
It's him, Dad. Scared. It's Libu. He pushed me. Libu knocked me down on the floor, and then the vase fell down and broke.
Libu, I'm so disappointed in you. It was you, and you still won't admit it.
What? Dad, what did you say?
Libu, out. I don't want you. Get out of this house right now.
Please, Dad. Have nowhere. I don't want to leave this home.
Libu, get out. Now. Get out of this house right now.
Let's go, puppy. I'll take you away from here.
Put the dog down. My dog. You can't take it away.
No, Buddy is mine. Give Buddy back to me.
We don't want you, so dog. You are just dreaming. Get out right now. Right this instant. The dog stays. You can leave now. And don't ever come back to this home again.
Buddy, I'm sorry. Why are you treating me like this? It is so unfair to me. I'll definitely make you regret this. I'll come back, buddy. So cold. But survive. Buddy, wait for me.
Dishwasher wanted. 1 meal. Hello, I'd like to work here as a dishwasher. Are you still hiring?
You're too young for this job. The work here is really tough, and you can't handle the hardship. Can't even hold mop.
I'm 12, but strong. See, I make it clean.
Cleaner than adults. All floors scrubbed for 1 meal. And I'll pay you $1 a day.
Thank you. No slacking. I'll work really hard. You can trust me. Hello, here's your steak. Please enjoy your meal.
Libu, here's your lunch. You did a really good job. Keep it up.
You also homeless. Friend, puppy, why are you here?
Buddy, you must wait for me. I miss you so much. Wait for me. I'll definitely come find you.
I want to buy a blanket. How much is this blanket? Is this enough money?
$5. I'll get you a nice and practical one. You can take this one.
Thank you. Now I won't wake up from the cold at night. Hello, here's your coffee. Please enjoy your coffee. Sir, your wallet. Here you are.
Oh God. Thank you, kid. Take this. Yours.
No, not my money. I can't take your money.
Then, let me treat you to a cup of coffee. I want to thank you. Parents raised you well. You're such an honest kid. I really like you.
I have no parents, just me. I've been driven out of home by my parents. They don't want me anymore.
How could your parents be so cruel? You're such a kind child. Would you like to come home with us?
Would you like to adopt me? Why me? I'm dirty.
We saw your kindness and hard work.
This car is so luxurious. I like it so much. Car huge, never seen. It's my first time riding in such a nice car. Is this big house ours? I've never lived in such a big house before.
Like it? All yours someday. Come. Try these shoes. These are brand new custom-made shoes just for you.
No more shoes with holes, so soft, like clouds.
Welcome home, son. You'll have so many more things in the future.
All gone, house too, without money. How will we live from now on?
Your fault? Bad investment. And now we don't have a penny left at all.
I never thought we'd lose all our money. How about we work as waiters in a hotel? We can't just starve to death. What a terrible job! My legs are worn out completely. I wish I'd known it would be this exhausting. I would never have come to work as a server. It is just too tiring. I don't want to live this kind of life anymore. Libu is you, son, my son.
Long time no see, stepmother. Don't touch, not my family.
I'm your father. How could you disown me? I know I was wrong. I have no money now. Could you give me some money?
We are blood family. I am begging you. Please give us some money. We've lost our house and cars gambling. We're totally broke now. I really know I was wrong. I'll never do it again.
You didn't love me, love money. Kick them out.
Son, see who's here. I've found it for you.
Buddy, it's you. Found you. Sorry, made you wait too long. Never separate again.